Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing how to catch errors in Python. To do this we'll be using try and except. So let's run through this code. I will start by setting a variable to this string. Now we will be using try, colon, and then we will move on to the next line which will be indented. For this we will try to make the variable an integer. Obviously attempting to do this will cause an error, a value error. So this is where we use except. It will catch the value error, and optionally you can use as e to store the message into a variable. Next some colons, and in here we will write what to execute if the error does occur. For this we will print the error that occurred. After this we can move on, or you can have the option to use else and execute a command if an error doesn't occur and place it there as well. On this second bit of code, I have made it so the variable will become an integer by setting it to 1. During the except function, we will simply put exception instead of value error. This means that no matter what error occurs, it will catch it. So now when we run it, the first set of code, a value error does occur. Therefore it does catch it and prints the error. However, on the second code, no error occurs, so therefore it will print that the number is 1. I hope you have understood and learnt something from this video, and I hope to see you soon.